Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning design. This video is all about the crochet skirts design. Crochet skirts ideas. So some things for newest videos, newest designs, key motables and stunning videos. I have shared with newly videos of crochet things, crochet skirts are used in different patterns, different designs and different amazing videos. So I will more creative designs of skirts. Skirts are used in different themes and newest videos design and just looking so gorgeous. Just are some things for attractive ideas, attractive design. एंड ऑब्वियसली जो भी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह आप लोगों को दिखाए गए हैं आप सबकी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग होती है। आप लोगों ने डिज़ाइंस वगैरह को कैप्चर करना होता है, देखना चाहिए। और इस तरह की जो भी काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव सी आप लोगों को लुक दिखाई गई है जो कि डिसेंट लुक्स पे हैं एंड डिफरेंट थिंग्स आइडिया डिफरेंट प्रोफाइटी वीडियोस ऑफ स्कर्ट्स आर यूज्ड विद डिफरेंट पैटर्न डिफरेंट डिज़ाइंस ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स एंड न्यूलेस्ट वीडियोस. I want to share very beautiful designs, very stunning videos, and just looking some things for gorgeous videos. And this is so amazing videos, and we have to share with you. I have shared with newly videos and more creative videos, and just say some things for newest designs. It's so good looking designs of skirts. Skirts are used in different patterns, different designs of ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all newly members will be amazing, will be connected and subscribe करते हुए bell icon को जो press करना है, all notification button को जो hit करना है. So quickly this channel subscribes and newest videos, designs, ideas, newest designs for more creative videos. Just looking so gorgeous videos we have to share with you. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos, in these attractive, these newest designs. So I want to share very beautiful designs, very decent videos. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very